I know a lot of you loved my cooking videos on TikTok, so I thought I'd bring them here to YouTube. Let's make dinner tonight. Tonight I am making cream cheese pasta sauce with noodles and some feta cheese and spinach, chicken sausage, asparagus. Let's get started. So this is the chicken sausage I'm using. This brand is at Publix. And of course they are still frozen because I am notorious for not taking things out in time. We're using these noodles.
Here we're just putting some avocado oil in the pan to heat it up. And then our chopped onions. And then the sausage. And lastly, the asparagus. And we just let that cook for a little bit with some buttery steakhouse seasoning. And I put also some garlic seasoning in there too. And once all of that is nice and cooked, we're going to move on to the cheese sauce with a little bit of oil in the pan and some minced garlic. I used 2 8 ounces of cream cheeses. I feel like it could have done with just 1. And then I'm putting a cup of oat milk, the extra kiwi kind, and getting the cream cheese to melt. And then after that, we are going to add in some mozzarella cheese. Parmesan would have tasted so much better, but I didn't
Alright
have
guys,
any.
so everything is complete. I got the cheese sauce.
Hi!
Jean.
Hi, everybody!
I have the noodles.
Noodles.
Watch out, buddy. You're mixing up the camera. And then the asparagus with the stuff, you know. Now we're going to just combine it all and serve it. I'm excited.
I can see. I can see.
Are you ready to eat?
Yeah.
And this is the finished products. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to eat this.